Okay, here's a parcel of honey potch. Doesn't have a lot of colour in it, unfortunately, but people like it to facet. I'll zoom in. Okay, I've zoomed in. Rules in millimetres, and the material's been wetted a bit to allow it to become see-through. A few of the pieces are like this piece. See the sink on the other side. A few of the pieces like this, I think you would get a little stone out of it, a faceted stone. But like I say, there's not a lot of colour in this. It's got a little bit of green showing, but anyway, it's more or less just for you to try faceting, and if you end up with a stone or two out of it, well and good. Hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.